Hi everyone, today I'll talk about my project, Image Open Domain Question Answer System. Here are the outline for today. To start, I'll talk about the project motivations. ChatGPT is an AI open domain chatbot with its API released on March 2nd, 2023, and OCR is a goal to detect the text from image, where you have two models. The first model is try to detect the text of the bounding box, and the second one is try to recognize the text from the bounding box. There are some issues found by running OCR open source libraries, for example kernel OCR, where the model can't recognize the handwriting text and the model is trained on English only. On the other hand, Paddle OCR, which allow you to detect the handwriting text, and you can pass the language parameters to load corresponding models. So the project goal would be try to train the model to detect the handwriting questions and the language, then use Paddle OCR pre-trained model and the ChatGPT API to get an answer. Here are the system constructions, where the inputs are the image contain language text, where I have trained a two-stage algorithm, fast RCAN, to detect the language and the text. Then we have cropped the image by the bounding box and pass the language parameters to Paddle OCR to convert to text. Then we pass the text to the GPT 3.5 API to return a PDF image, which contains the question and answer results. For the data collections, I've taken 464 photos, which contains Chinese and English writing by myself, and a 10% data transformation notation is added. For ground truth, I have used the label I make to generate the XML file and translate to CSV. The dataset is split test train validation around 80, 10, and 10%, with total 510 datasets. Here are the model training results. Unfortunately, I don't have a GPU access on my MacBook Pro 2020s. Therefore, to train a single approach, it takes about 2 hours each. I have trained on my laptop over 15 hours with the CPU, and the model score are still not very good. Therefore, to faster training, I have hired a very powerful GPU with the A100 series on AutoDL platform, which dropped down from 2 hours per approach to 30 seconds. On GPU, I have trained the model from beginning against a model with a pre-trained backbone REST 950 loaded. You can see the model trained from beginning take about 210 approach, which take about 2 hours, and the overall accuracy is less than the with a pre-trained backbone loaded. And after the hyperparameter train on pre-trained backbone, we take about 20 minutes to train, and the overall average MAP is 90.02, which is quite good model. Here are the ROC curve for the best model after hyperparameter train. With the camera collections, I have used OpenCV package, where you can use any cameras as long as it can be collected. So for here, I've used IP Camera Pro, which is you collect it through API address on your phone. There are some limitations with the system. So although the performance for my own model is quite good, but the Paddle OCR pre-trained text model sometimes return the text with the wrong order. For example here, good deep learning project, and it returns deep learning good projects. And also, currently there are only 2 handwriting language datasets collected, so the system maybe fail if try to detect all the language. Here are the system demonstration. The photo is taken by press space keyword. The algorithm will first output the bounding box and the language. It then passes the results to Paddle OCR to get the text. And then it will pass the text to ChatGPT to get an answer. The return results will be saved as a PDF with the same folder as the main program. You can also get the results from the program terminal as well.